Yeah, it's getting late in the day, and I have some nice pictures, so just lean back, kick up your feet, and think if you want to invest. We're raising €4 million now in 2024 to scale up our company. So my name is Trygve Mongstad. I'm the CEO and founder of Over Easy Solar. I started Over Easy Solar about 3 years ago, after more than 10 years working in the solar energy sector. And during this time, I saw a significant challenge. Many of the buildings that we were looking at were not suitable for the conventional solar solutions. And I also saw that many building owners had doubts regarding the conventional solar products. And I saw the complexities faced by the installers of the product that the prior speaker also touched upon. So I wanted to create a product that addresses these challenges, but also a product that would accelerate the adoption of solar energy on rooftops. Rooftops is a great resource in the urban environment. These rooftops can be utilized for making green roofs that bring water retention, biodiversity, and temperature control into the urban environment. But of course, they can also host solar panels. More and more municipalities, governments, and private companies are realizing this and pushing both of these trends. And we see stronger and stronger regulations coming in both areas. As for example, the European Building Performance Directive, that has also been mentioned by speakers before me within solar, that's pushing now, it will be obligatory to install solar panels on all new buildings from the end of 2026, and also on existing buildings in the coming years. In order to make this possible, we need innovative solutions to complement the conventional products. We have a vision. The future of the sustainable rooftop in the urban area has to look like this, right? Green roof combined with solar power. Should be like this on all flat roofs. And actually, Europe adds about 500 million square meters of flat roof every year, which represents a market opportunity for solar power of about €50 billion per year. Our approach to this is the VPV unit. It's a prefabricated unit consisting of vertical solar panel in a prefabricated rack that is a lightweight, easy to mount, easy to plan with, and a solar product that gives more energy value because of more energy production during the morning, evening, and during the winter time, instead of this solar peak that also so many companies here have been talking about. This product is entirely developed by us, patent protected. It's a unique product, and it has generated substantial attention after we launched it a couple of years ago. Last autumn, we launched our product commercially, started selling in the markets. We now have about €1 million in accumulated revenue. We have about 25 installations in 11 different European countries. Here you see some examples. We have our first installations in Norway, Denmark, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Belgium. And actually, we're especially targeting Germany, Switzerland, Austria, the DACH region with our product right now. So that makes this event here in Berlin extra relevant for us, and we hope to make new contacts here. We spent the first 3 years of our company developing the product, doing R&D, simulations, testing, and we arrived at the product, as I said, last year. Now we started on the commercial journey. We have about €1 million revenue so far, and we're aiming to scale the revenue up to around €100 million per year by 2028. We're a team of 12 based in Norway and Spain, and we're backed by some of the leading energy, technology, and sustainability investors in the Nordics. Now we're looking for a really cool lead investor to lead our 4 million round, preferably someone rooted here in the DACH region, which is our primary market, as I mentioned, and of course, someone preferably also with a network within energy, technology, or real estate construction. So hopefully together we can introduce the future of the sustainable rooftop also in a lot of new places here in Europe together. Thank you very much.